Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So apparently I sound
fake
in my videos according
to some people that I know.
and they showed me a perfect example of how I'm supposed to talk more natural on camera.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm unnatural.
That makes me sound like a boring bitch. Anyways, so I got a brand new backpack. I'm not sure where it came from. I seen it in my room, so I took it. This is what it looks like. It looks cute, right? From the front, from the back, full 360 on the bed turn. Like, yes. I transferred all the shit from my current everyday backpack to this new little cute backpack. I figured why not do a what's in my bag tour.
I meant just like a what's in my bag video.
We're gonna be doing that. Also comment down below what type of videos you would like to see more from me. And yes. Then there's some deodorant because I stink. This is Old Spice Wolf Horn. It's lovely. I have extra contacts because I'm a
Blind ass bitch.
I am not trying to lose a contact and then have to be blind like the rest of ever. I drive, I work, I have shit to do. I can't not be not able to see shit. I have eye drops. So eye drops, contacts, eye drops,
If you have common sense, I feel like it kind of...
What do you think it's fucking for? It's for your damn eyes, sister. Cologne. So this is fresh water cologne.
It's from Bath & Body. This shit cost me 50 bucks.
Or it was 20, I don't really remember.
But let's just say it's 50 to make it sound like I have money.
And, what is this? Moisturizer, hand sanitizer. I have hand sanitizer just in case I want to eat food. I really like food. Then I also have some moisturizer. This is Shea Moisture. I'm not sure if I said that right. It's African Black Soap Balancing Moisturizer.
I use it because I am ashy.
My knees are really ashy.
All my shorts that I wear are above the knee, so I can't be having to be looking ashy.
I use it for these. Lip balm, because sometimes my lips are crusty.
I think I got this from my mom's makeup bag.
It's for your lips, so that's handy. Along with my extra contacts, I have this. Basically, I put my eye contact solution in here as a little bottle, like a little travel carry-on bottle.
I'm not sure if you're supposed to do that for bacterial purposes, but how the fuck should I know?
It comes with this thingy, and you can insert something right over here. And I have chosen to insert this thing called Tiki Beach. It's a room spray, or not even a room spray, just in case I'm somewhere and something stinks or smells like shit. I want to be prepared to this spray, just in case, cause yeah. I have a charger. Along with my charger, I have a portable battery because you know what? I really don't like my phone dying. Everybody needs their phone. That's my first source of communication. This is yes sir. This shit's gonna come in handy.
It might not be tomorrow, might not be a week from now, but you know what? It's gonna come in handy one day. One day, my friend. Oh my god.
I have these. These are an extra pair of gauges. I have gauges right now. These are Tiger Wood gauges. So basically I have these in my backpack just in case, maybe for some reason these fall out, or I'm at the beach and it disappears, or
just for some reason it's not my fucking ear, okay?
I have my asthma thing because I have asthma, if you guys did not know. Yeah. But, yeah, so that was it. That's what was in my little bag over here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to leave a comment about what type of videos you guys would like to see more from me. And, yes, have a great day. And I will see you guys later. Bye!